Get ready for an explosion of flavors with our Street Style Cutlet Burger. Succulent cutlets, fresh vegetables, and a burst of culinary magic await you. First, let's prepare our mouth-watering cutlet mixture. Take some mashed potatoes and season them with salt, black pepper powder, red chili powder, and cumin powder. Finely chop onions, green peppers, and fragrant coriander leaves. Thoroughly combine all the ingredients to ensure they are well incorporated. For the coating, we're keeping it simple yet delicious. Just beat an egg with a pinch of salt to create a perfect coating for our cutlets. Shape the cutlet mixture into discs, ensuring they match the size of your buns to stay perfectly within them. Fry these delightful cutlets until they turn golden and crispy, and toast your buns to add that delightful crunch. Finally, it's time to assemble our cutlet burger. If you enjoyed this style, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support means everything to us. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking with the food recipes.